Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you how to make payment for your goods on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, JD.com, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is to access from my Pinduoduo right here. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm making payments on Pinduoduo, and recently this person here contacts me for payment on Pinduoduo. You can see their goods right here. So this is when they sent me the link, and then when we work on the link, eventually all the screenshots is being proofing right here. So let's go ahead and see how we make payment for this particular goods all at a go on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to exit from here now. Then I'll go ahead and open up my Pinduoduo shopping app. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to open up my profile. On getting to my profile, click on here to proceed to my cart. So here we go. We have all the products right here. So for me to make payment for all these products, I'm going to select them one after the other. So I'm paying for this. 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 And I'm paying for this. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So here we go. From the checkout right here, what you want to do here is to make sure you review everything right here before you proceed to payment. Once you are sure of everything right here, there are so many means of payment on Pinduoduo shopping app, but in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Allow the Alipay to connect and enter my payment password. Payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot this part, proof of payment. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on done right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. Then proceed to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check out. You can see all the products right here successfully paid for. Lastly, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to access from here now. Then go ahead and send the proof of payment right here. So you can see the amounts to be paid right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to upload proof of payment. Then I'll go ahead and select the proof of payment and say payment made for Pinduoduo 9 link. Nine links and send. It's that simple. So for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to contact me with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.